Hey guys, it's your girl Natalia.Armoni, and in today's video we will be installing this hair from Beauty Forever Hair. So I just showed you guys what I received in my package. So now we're going to get started on the ball cap. So like always, I always cut my ears out. I use a new cap, and then we're going to spray our hairline with the got2b spray and blow dry it completely dry and cut off the excess cap. So then the next step is to go ahead and apply your wig. Of course, today I will be installing this wig from Beauty Forever Hair. This is their Ombre Highlight Curly Wig, 13x4, 24 inches, 150 density. So the glue that I will be using today is the Hair by Erica J lace glue. This is the watermelon scent. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that around my hairline and smooth it out with my smoothing tool. I always go for at least 3 to 4 layers if I know I'm going to be wearing the hair for a long time. But you know, you guys can do glueless, you can do fewer layers, it's all up to you. So once those layers completely dry, then I'm gonna go ahead and lay the lace down in the glue and then blow dry it dry. So now we're going to go ahead and cut out our ears and then cut off the excess lace. I always do this by using either eyebrow scissors or a razor. Y'all, I was like literally in love with this color. Like, I feel like it was made for me. They did this color so well. Like, I love the highlights and how it was just toned, and this wig was so bomb. And I know y'all see that lace, okay? Beauty Forever, y'all really did their thing with this wig, y'all. But let's go ahead and finish slaying it. So now we're going to get started with just molding down the baby hairs. And I do spray a little spray on my hairline and then hot comb it because I just like my hairline to be pressed back. And it also helps me with like separating the baby hair from the other hair, so when it's time for me to mold them, they're not all in the way. Okay, now we're gonna get started on doing the baby hairs. So first, I always cut them with the eyebrow razor, and you can cut them as short as you want. I like to keep mine pretty short. Then I've been doing this new technique. I'm pretty sure you all have been seeing it before, but I take like some little flat irons and I curl the baby hair. It just really makes it way more easy to mow down and get together. So after I curl them, I'm going to go ahead and lay them down with some mousse. I've been watching you. So while we letting our baby hairs dry, we're going to go ahead and get this hair together. So I really didn't want to go for that wet look, but I still wanted the curls to be popping. So I'm just going to take that same mousse that we use for our baby hairs and just run it through the hair and get it saturated. But like I said, we're really not going for that wet look. But you see how the mousse just, you know, revamped the curls and got it, you know, popping and all that. So after that, once we take our wrapper strip, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really love this wig from Beauty Forever Hair, y'all. So I really recommend it for you guys to get it. Yeah, so I love you all like always. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Boy, I've been watching you.